Hey, it's Jim Dashing Disciple here again on 2 for Tuesday, Take 2 Tuesday. We're down here at the lake. We came down for just a couple of days just to get away from boxes and things, and so we're down here at the lake of the Ozarks. This is one of my little private little favorite spots up here up on the end of a promontory point up down the road from us. So today I wanted to talk about getting started. You know, my call and plea to you is to get up, get out, and get moving. And so, but how do you do that? Some people have asked, how do I get started in running? And so I want to talk about just a couple of those things, just real quickly and briefly. What do you need? Number one, you need good shoes. That's the one expense that you're really going to have. You need to get a good pair of good fitting shoes that give you good support for your stance and your run. And so I would recommend that you go to a running store, talk with someone who's knowledgeable, have them look at your stance, look at your feet, measure you, talk to them about what your goals are in running, how you run, where you're going to run. Let them fit you with a good shoe that will meet your needs, and use their knowledge and understanding to help you out. That's the one big expense, and that's probably going to run you anywhere from $120 to $170. That's your big expense. Your shoes will last you for about 300 to 500 miles. So generally, for me, that's about 2.5, maybe 3 months. Number two, clothes. You don't need a lot. A pair of sweatpants and a sweatshirt and a hat and gloves in weather like this. Glasses, a windbreaker. In the summer, shorts and a t-shirt. You can get more fancy clothing as you get into it. The plea that I would make is get something that's visible. Bright orange, bright yellow, bright reds. It doesn't matter about the style. What matters is that people can see you when you're running. After that, the major questions then are where and when. The when, that's whenever fits you the best. I like early morning running. When I was working, I used to run over my noon hour. So whenever you can find the time. The thing is to make a time every day. Make that your time to go running, regardless. The where, be safe. If you can, run trails, run on sidewalks, run on running parks. If your high school will let you, run on their track to get started. And so, be safe. I would try and avoid running on roads, although I have done it, and I still do it. But it's not the safest. Be safe. The next is, how do I get started? There are all kinds of sources out there. There is None to Run. There is Couch to a 5K. There's all kinds of books out there. You can look on the internet and get all kinds of help with coaching. The secret is start slow. I would recommend that when you can walk briskly for 30 minutes without resting and without getting winded, you're about ready to start running. I would start with walk, run, walk, run, walk, run. There are a lot of different methods out there for doing that. Look them up on the internet. You can find them. Tag into one that you like and then do it. And do it every day. Slowly build your mileage up. Don't go out and run a 10K. You're not going to like it. It's going to hurt and you're going to get injured. Start slow and increase your mileage by no more than 10% a week. The only other thing that you might want is a watch. You can go with something fancy like a Garmin 935 Forerunner like I use, a Phoenix 5. Or you can go with something really, really simple. You can get a Timex Ironman for just a few bucks that has walk-run function on it, has a stopwatch. It doesn't have to hook up to the GPS. It doesn't have to Bluetooth connect to your phone. All of those are nice options. Hey, I am way past my 2 minutes. We'll talk some more about some of these issues in the ensuing weeks and spend a little more detail on them. For right now, you got one life. You got one day. Go out and make it count. So get up, get out, and get moving. We'll see you next week on 2 for Tuesday. Bye.